Okay, sa puntong ito, Ara, pag-usapan naman natin, alam mo ba, ang buhay natin ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, napaka-challenging, ano?
Tama.
Sa trabaho, sa trapiko, at sa personal na buhay. At para pag-usapan yan, meron tayo ngayong bisita na professional na life coach. Makakasama po natin ang life coach na si Ma'am Susan Berlin. Ma'am, magandang umaga po.
Good morning sa inyo. Thank you for having me.
Ma'am, unang katanungan po, no? Ang buhay po natin dito sa Pilipinas, hindi naman nagiging madali. Pahirap ng pahirap. Minsan, ang mag-asawa kailangan pang dalawang nagtatrabaho para lang makasurvive. Ano po bang sikreto para umasenso?
Well, napakagandang tanong yan, no? Kasi galing din sa generation na ang nanay hindi nagtatrabaho dati. And then, of course, nasa bahay lang. And dahil sa naging commercialized na masyado at saka napakarami nang dapat bilhin o pwedeng bilhin para ma-enjoy ang life natin, no? So, importante po na magkaroon ng plano. Pero bago magkaroon ng plano ang mag-asawa, individually, we must have that burning desire not only to make the most out of life and enjoy the best of life, but also to be the best of what we are. And that has to come from within, no? Yung passion niya at saka yung big why. You know, and I think basically we need some coaching, we need some enlightenment, and in fact, every day, kailangan natin yon. Kailangan natin na, in spite of all the discouragement, especially from the people around us, na meron tayong nagpapaalala sa atin and coach.
Alam mo, Ara, no, dito sa atin, sa bansa natin, may mga thinking ang tao na kung gusto mo talagang makapag-invest ng bahay, makapagpatayo ng bahay, talagang kailangan mo mag-abroad. Dahil kung dito ka lang sa Pilipinas, parang mahihirapan para makasurvive. Pero sa inyo pong palagay bilang life coach, meron po bang alternatibo ang mga Pilipino?
Napakarami. Bilang Pilipino, ako mismo, you know, I'm telling you that we have the attributes that will make or build the foundation for success. Unang-una, ang endurance natin. Strategic thinker tayo, and maabilidad, no? Matyaga, masipag, walang hindi inaatrasan ng pagod. So, ang hindi lang nagagamit sa tamang paraan. Ang pag-abroad, hindi po yun ang solusyon. Dito mismo sa ating bayan, hindi na kailangang masira ang isang pamilya, yung unit ng family, no? Na napapariwara ang mga bata, ang mga anak. Walang magulang na naggagabay sa kanila at nagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal. Hindi pwedeng palitan yun eh. Kahit nagkaano kalaki ang sweldo mo sa yaya o sa iyong kapatid, mahal na mahal niya, iba yung ina at saka ama. So, maraming paraan na pwede tayong umasenso, makaalis sa kahirapan. Pero kailangan, you know, we have to be really, be with the right company or right group of people and be guided accordingly.
Right idea.
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo, Ara, ang ating mga kinikita everyday, talagang hard-earned money. Nakakatakot naman i-invest sa bagay na hindi ka sigurado. At palagay mo, baka mawala ang iyong pera or yung pinaghirapan mo, mabaliwala lang. Ano po bang kasi yung takot ng Pilipino na mag-invest sa isang negosyo, paano po ba makakasiguro ang isang gustong sumubok na legal ito at tama?
Una-una, of course, financial freedom is the key. Sabi nga nila, working for someone, you earn a living. But working for yourself, you make a fortune. Go negosyo, katulad ng nagiging sikat na sikat ngayon. Tama yan. You have to start. You have to believe in being in business yourself. Bata pa ako, I believe in that. I was selling bananas in the street when I was 9. Yes. So I believe in being independent, no? You work for yourself kasi unlimited ang income mo. You earn as much as you put in, no? Now, unfortunately, ang pagpa-franchise, napakalaking kapital para sa pangkaraniwang Pilipino. So, hindi hindi feasible or hindi applicable para sa karamihan, which is the masses is talagang yun ang maraming problema sa kahirapan, no? Kaya lang, you know, sinasamantala naman ng iba. I will tell you honestly, there is a best business module na pwedeng iahon sa kahirapan ang mamamayang Pilipino. It's networking, no? And unfortunately, pinagsasamantalahan naman at ginagawang mali ng ibang mga kumpanya at ibang tao na they capitalize on the poverty of the people. Na yan nga, 888, tapos magiging 1,300 after 4 days. You know, it's too good to be true.
Money laundering na nangyayari.
And, scam na yun eh. Ponzi scheme na yun eh, di ba? Yung talagang, there's no such thing. Ang pagyaman ho, pinaghihirapan. Wala pong madali na pagyaman. So, they have to be taught of how to really be affiliated with the right company. Kailangan legal. And there are 8 ways to identify, no? So, again, coaching is needed. And then with the help of the government and the media like you, we can guide the public on really how to take advantage of this beautiful business module that is being taken advantage naman by many to make a big, huge, you know, scam, no?
Ma'am, ano namang fulfillment yung nakakamit ninyo sa pagiging life coach ninyo?
Oh my gosh. Thank you for asking. It's more than what money can bring. You know, when you work on helping others, no, it's the gratification that you feel is so big. You know, it's, you know, you go to sleep with a smile on your face. And, you know, you've touched other people's lives. We only have one life to live. Wala nang replay yan. Hindi na natin pwedeng magsabi, okay, my gosh, mali, we replay. The most beautiful part as a life coach or a motivator is when I see that somebody who used to be just a maid is now working in an office or is now sending their family, their children to the right school. Nakakapagkuleyo na yung anak. Napakasarap dahil nila yung the sabi nga yun, unleashing the power from within, di ba? So that's really a very, very best profit for me, you know.
Okay, alam niyo po ang maganda nito, no, na hindi lang basta binibigyan ng tulong. Tinutulungan niyo sila na kumita ng sarili nila. Exactly.
Wala hong Pilipino o tao sa mundong ito na walang karapatang yumaman. Lahat po tayo pinanganak na merong talino, merong galing na naiiba kaysa sa ibang tao. There's only one you. And when you believe in that and you have that faith and then you associate yourself with the people who believes in you and who can guide you, and then you, of course, embrace all this open-mindedness. Don't have fear in your heart because fear is the #1 destroyer of your dreams, no? And the fear is governed or played by the devil. The devil is going to play on you. You know, uunahin niya po yung fear, you know, self-doubt. Wala po, burahin niyo po lahat yun. Life is so beautiful. Dance with it, you know, and fly high.
Okay, bilang panghuli, Ma'am Susan, maaari niyo po bang sabihin sa mga boss natin na gustong magsimula pa lamang para maabot nga itong pag-asensong sinasabi ninyo, ano pong unang dapat nilang gawin?
Believe in yourself and imagine yourself at the top. Wala pong dapat pumigil sa inyo. Kahit po sino ang magsabi sa inyo na hindi nyo kaya at wala kayong mararating, hindi kayo matalino, wala kayong koneksyon, huwag po kayong maniwala. Ako po a living example. You know, I come from a family of 22.
22 po kayo magkakapatid.
And happy family.
Happy family. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-imbita pag-party. And very humble beginning. Walang TV, wala lahat. From the small province in the north, wala pong magsasabing, I made it to the top sa Amerika, sa buong mundo nakilala. And now I am here to give back to the Philippines. I want to inspire others that if I can do it, you can do it. And wala pong halong biro ito. Just believe in yourself. And punta po kayo sa office. And by the way, meron tayong Be Alive show, no? And we will be doing some coaching sa Be Alive. Yung 11th season na natin yan. Sa August 9 yata yung first showing noon. Sundays at 3:30 in the afternoon, of course, and Thursdays, 8:30 p.m. Manood po kayo at marami po kayong matututunan.
Okay, very inspiring, Ara. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Nakapanayan po natin si Miss Susan Barlin, isang life coach. Nabigyan niya tayo ng isang magandang simula ngayong Lunes ng umaga.
Pwede bang bumati?
Sige
Magagalit ito sa akin pag hindi ko binati eh. Attorney Zuniga, good morning.
Good morning po, Attorney.
Good morning po.
Happy viewing.